solution, you can append that email to in a text file, right? Yes, we just want to store. If we just want to store the email, you can use file IO using JavaScript, and we can append that email.
Okay, so that's a good
Otherwise,
idea.
yeah. Otherwise, another solution would be to use Firebase Firestore.
Yeah,
Exactly. Some
so
way or
we
the
can
other will
use
be
with
complicating it.
uh, yeah, Firebase is a good option, but I'm not sure if anyone knows regarding this Firebase.
Personally, I love Firebase very much. It's got a ton
Now,
of.
I also wanted to learn Firebase, but right now I don't have enough time to learn this Firebase. Okay, for storing and because it's quite easy for storing the database and retrieving the data from that.
Yeah, it's like it's made for a separate course. But yeah, like a silly solution would be, I don't know if it works or it has some drawbacks. So it would be like storing it in a text file, appending the emails with a comma or something like we can use some delimiter and we can store it in a text file.
Yeah, we can do that. Actually, the thing is that the person Saurabh was working on this issue for the sign up and then it will store to Excel. And I didn't had a talk with him since last 5 days. Okay, so I'm not sure what he's doing right now.
I think if it is a spreadsheet, then it is also the same thing, right?
Yeah, same thing. What
It is
you are saying, it's the same thing.
maybe the libraries change and you need to uh, like consider workbooks and some other things. Just a little bit complex, but I think like when you have a spreadsheet, it becomes more structured.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Now,
yes.
using which spreadsheet will be the next question. So, most of them have API keys, so I think it's easy to get, and everybody will have to get their own to work on it then.
No, no, it will be file IO.
Which spreadsheet are you talking about?
Spreadsheet, normal.
Excel spreadsheet are you talking,
Yeah, yeah,
Joel?
yeah. It's not like you connect Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. It's just a normal .xls file, and you write to that.
So I think Saurav was working on this issue that you are talking right now. Okay, so we have to connect with Saurav regarding this.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Uh,
please. Yeah, I put the link and confirm.
yeah, because in the last meeting he said he was working on this issue.
Okay. Yeah, okay,
And
then.
uh, and regarding that part, Joel, you also said it. We have to keep it to the minimum number of steps. Like here only, it should is in the sign up itself. It should explain which format you want to convert it to, EPUB or PDF
No, no,
or
no. The
any
thing is,
other.
no, no. The thing is, what Praful told that from this email we won't be converting anything. We'll just take this email and keep it in an email list. In phase two,
Email.
we'll convert through the website.
You convert through the website. So where are we going regarding this with the conversion? Because if we see we are signing up an email, okay, so people will come, user will come, and they will sign up to this. Okay,
Yeah.
then what we have to
Then
figure it out. Huh?
apparently from the email list, Praful or someone will mail them about the updates and then mail them about the CLI and stuff like that. Wait,
This is
if
quite
it is
hectic.
open source, don't we need documentation somewhere, very well documentation of how the product works, so that if anybody's taking, they can use it well?
Yeah, it's needed, but we need to analyze the UX, right? Like how it, the engineering part, we need to finalize and then we should document it.
Yeah, after that only the documentation will be worth
So, I
creating.
guess we can add a, what do you call that? Add an issue stating that we need a engineering documentation as well.
Okay. So the thing is that because, like you also said, Joel, we go to this and uh, merge this like to EPUB and Mobi. So I like this actually this website because it's quite we don't have to sign up or log in to get this thing working. But still we can do the same thing like in on the landing page itself. We can just use this split PDF like this also. We convert to Mobi, convert to like this structure. uh, I'm not sure if the third design that we were way before we were finalizing the third design, it was the purple one, the patch of the purple one was there. The same thing was going to happen. Okay. On the landing page itself, we were giving the option to convert to PDF, convert to Mobi and EPUB.
I'm
Uh,
sorry, I missed some part. I don't know, like, you
like
mean
for
are
the
could be as intuitive as I love PDFs?
Yeah, I think instead of going for not instead of going this, we can sign up the user and then we can just show them
Yeah,
the
so
direction also.
instead of this, we can have like a box, like I
Yeah,
get your idea, like a box, and then we can
yeah,
have like the
convert to
first PDF, emoji, and the
uh,
other third thing.
yes, yes.
I totally
This is
agree.
actually quite intuitive and this is actually way less steps. Okay, so you need 2 or 3 steps maximum. So you can just directly go to the uh, PDF version if you want to convert your Twitter thread or any thread to the uh, PDF itself. Okay, like this site has also done this. Okay, so you if you have to split the PDF, just go to this. Okay, and just select your PDF file. So this is quite intuitive and this is quite easy for everyone.
Sorry, Achi, can you explain again?
Yeah, so you see this site, okay, I love PDF, okay. So what they have done, they have in the landing page itself, they have assigned us merge PDF, split PDF, whatever the task you need to do. Okay, just click it. Okay, PDF to Word and select the PDF file. Okay, so after selecting the PDF file, it will automatically merge and give you the download link. So it is 3-step process. Okay, so what I'm just hold on. Uh, So what I am just suggesting is that instead of getting an email, I'm not sure why we are getting an email to sign up. That is, I I totally don't get this idea. But instead, like we can just like Amin also said, we can create a box here, okay, to convert to PDF, okay. To convert your Twitter thread or any thread to PDF. Convert your Twitter thread uh, uh, to EPUB and Mobi, like 3 boxes. Okay. So whenever the user clicks, so it will redirect it to the PDF version if it clicks to the PDF conversion of PDF.
Mm,
Uh, are you getting this, Joel?
yeah,
Akshay, let me just explain one thing. So here we are taking email because it's kind of a sign up thing that we are initially doing, like who are all the persons interested, like we are building a product, because right now at this point of time we don't have a complete product that we can publish the website kind of thing, right? So that's why we are
Okay.
doing this email sign up thing, that we are just as Amin told, like that phase one is something that we are telling the people that we are getting ready. So that's why we are not actually taking the email
Okay.
Twitter thread. We are taking the email right now. So what will happen afterwards is that in place of this email and sign up, yeah, we can get that into convert. So basically the primary option is to convert to PDF only. So that will keep. If that's not an option, then we can select maybe PDF or EPUB or something. But yeah, imagine if this is the site, for example, and when we come here, when enter your email is there, right there, we will keep a Twitter thread or a tweet ID, and we will click convert to PDF. That's it. So that is simple,
Okay.
right? So
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
got my point
Vijay.
right now.
Yeah, I could totally got your point. Okay. So we are just right now, we are not ready with the full product. So that's why we are doing this email. Okay.
Right.
I
This is
got your
phase one.
idea.
That is phase one and phase two.
Yeah.
So, and I also want to ask you, like at this point of time, to get a to get a on overview, like what are the things we want to, just can you open a notepad,
Yeah, okay.
just a simple notepad? Yeah. Now, can we write the things like what actually we want to do, like like on this, or what we want to modify, so that we'll just concentrate only on that, so that we'll not, again, as Joel told, that we'll never be satisfied with a website wherever we go. So what we need to do is, what are the things that we need to do, at least the bare minimum right now, so that we focus on that and we don't go on other things.
Okay.
So get done with the basic website, that is get done with testimonials.
Yeah.
Then decide where will the team page go and how will we be connecting it.
No, team page already has been told by Proful, right? Whenever we click on team, let us redirect to a separate page. We are not actually including it in our site. Let's go to a separate page where we will display all the profile
Okay.
pictures, and basically that is the team page.
Then
We will not
basically we
including
need
in there.
people to fill in their data in the JSON file.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I was just getting to this issue. So I think, Vijay, you and Joel can fill in the data to see if it's working or not, so that we can just move ahead one at a time. Okay, because if we tell everyone to fill that data at the same time, na, so there will be a lot of merge conflict, and again this will happen. We have to again explain it to just go through the issue. So one or two,
So
three people at the same time.
I got this. So I'm typing something in chat. Amin, can you just post this to Akshay, because I can't post it
Okay, sure,
directly.
sir. One
Is
minute.
it not in the GitHub contributors section? We have the project and we can ask GitHub API to give us the GitHub contributors, right?
We tried a lot with the GitHub API, but then it would just do fetching on fetching. It will create a huge load time. Second
Yeah.
negative factor was it would be very complicated in a sense. So to keep it simple, we made a local JSON file and we are just storing data to it.
Okay.
Akshay, is Discord open on your laptop?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Okay,
open, right?
then just copy this text.
Okay.
Sorry, I think I have given to Joel.
Oh,
No problem.
Okay, yeah, now you can see that.
Okay, I got that. Yeah, I have already copied this, whatever you have mentioned.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, you got it right. Okay, fine. So
Yeah, I
now in
got it.
this lighter color is looking good. You remove that. We have already done that.
Okay,
You can
okay,
remove
sure.
that thing. Okay, Teams page to be separate section that we have already wrote. You can remove that.
Okay, okay,
And
sure.
actually, it's already done. We just need to link it. So
Yeah, that's
instead
Yeah,
it.
of
we need to link
writing,
it, but for right now, we are just, acha, okay, okay, I got your point, but we need to fill up the data. I
huh,
think so. This is the least of our priorities right now. Okay.
Right. Keep
So
it
I
at
will write it.
least.
So I will write it in the, you see, so the testimonials is our first priority. Then responsive design is also our second least priority for now for the mobile version. I think, yeah. So
yeah,
illustration
illustrations
getter.
is an important
Yeah.
priority.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Like
we
if
need to keep it as simple as possible. Again, here we don't want to again clutter it with a huge number of things. We'll just keep it minimal, and also the actually according to the color which we want. So let's keep it simple in this way. So we'll take one task at a time and we'll try to do it.
For
We'll
the
have some meeting.
illustrations, like I had an idea that what we can do is create an issue and keep it like for a week or something and ask people to go through if any free illustration sites they know, because they're like plenty, and then if they have any
I mean,
specific thing and they can just
I
post
would
it in the
suggest
issue so we
I
can.
would suggest we would first get the illustration from by ourselves, you, me, Akshay, and Joel. We'll keep it on website because we have already a lot of resources. Because once we keep it as an open issue, it would actually get delayed.
That's also
So
true.
I
Yeah.
think we will just discuss. We'll keep some illustrations as we have. We will just
And
have
we need
some.
to be like more specific in what type of illustrations we need.
Yeah, that's an idea. That's a good thing. But we'll just see. Like maybe can you go to andra.co, Akshay?
Can you just spell out for me?
UN Andra
Okay,
UN
undrop.
And
drop
draw.
Okay,
DRAW
draw. Okay,
dot
undraw.
co.
Okay. Okay, I got that.
Okay, can you go to that?
Actually, this is a little monochrome. There are some sites with with colorful illustrations.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
actually,
thing is we don't want to go into colorful because we are already having the site very minimal, right? So we'll have this matching, maybe like these
Yeah, black
illustrations
and
also
white,
like that.
keeping it all
I'm
monochrome.
kind of thinking, though, that's why I'm going to, as Joel also told me, this undraw thing. We can go to undraw and you can select that. Actually, you have
yeah,
that. Can you click on browse now?
yeah, okay, sure.
And on the right side top, you have the color, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you have the 2121 something you told like previously.
okay,
Yeah, so something
okay.
from
This is,
this, maybe it's not completely relevant to us because we can't find completely like Twindle thing, but something that would be relevant to us, we can take an image from this and we can write some text so that at least we have some cool looking image also.
yeah, this
What
is
do you say?
quite, yeah, this is great. I think for
No,
Because
we
we
can
illustration
don't
even
want
use
purpose,
the
to.
spreadsheet one. The first one we can use it. The spreadsheet. Well,
This is very
The
You'll find similar illustrations as well.
and
Yeah,
there is something called free pick. This free pick.
yeah, I have this free pick with me. Okay,
This is also pretty
so
good for illustrations.
yeah, this is also pretty good for illustration purpose, but we need to search for it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Uh,
The problem is speak actually format. You cannot get the right format of it.
yeah,
You
I also was
have
stuck
an
in this issue for the right format. And this
maybe
is another
maybe
thing.
Akshay,
Uh,
what is the first thing we wrote in that list?
okay, just hold on. So
Testimonials.
testimonials. So I
Testimonials.
think,
Okay.
I mean, you can do this testimonial and just implement with TT
Yeah.
itself. Okay, and just raise a PR. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Sure.
we will be done with this testimonial things. Okay.
Today is Wednesday,
Uh,
right? Okay, I'll be done by
yeah.
Yes.
tomorrow, Thursday, right? Tomorrow,
No
like by
problem.
night,
No
I'll
problem.
create a PR.
Take your time. Take your time and take TT's help also regarding this. Just Vijay, one more thing. Why did you
Hmm.
write this better font section? Because the thing is that for the font section, na, just
No, I wrote better footer section.
footer section. Sorry. Just hold on.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one,
So this is
Ruffle told to add more
because
items to the footer section, not keep it very
yeah,
plain. Because it's
yeah,
like only
like
three
this.
things.
Are you saying like this?
Yeah,
Are you saying like
something.
this?
Yeah, just add
But we don't
more
have this
items.
kind of. Yeah, but we don't have this kind of like desktop apps, web clipper like these things. Okay. So I'm not sure what we have to do in this. So, so yeah,
Praful
that's
was
the
like,
problem with
maybe we
me.
can
So
add something like, we are a open source community, or maybe all of it is built and you
but
can
we
get
are
the team
writing,
page here or something like that, some small line.
yeah, okay. For the Teams page itself, we can just like this issue, like company product, we can use just Teams page to view pricing and something like this. Okay. But I'm not sure how we can achieve this for better photo section. That's the point.
Actually, we'll do one thing.
Yeah.
Amin will be doing the testimonials. Me and
Okay.
you, we will be seeing this footer section, like what to improve, what we can
Okay.
keep in that. Okay. You can just maybe write my name or your name there so that for your
Yeah.
reference. Okay.
Me and TT will do the testimonials. Yeah.
Okay. And Fabio is also interested in getting this. Maybe we can also include Fabio when we are doing footer. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
No, you can ask
Okay.
Fabio to search for illustrations. Maybe let's keep like two people for each.
Fine. We
Okay.
can also tell him that. So fonts to,
Saurabh
yeah,
is
fonts to be
working.
used as uniform, you already know like what is happening, right? So we have to keep, as Joel also told, like we need to have some kind of hierarchy
Hello,
thing.
everyone.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
TT,
just
please tell
joining.
me.
Yeah, hi TT.
And Saurabh is
Uh,
working on the email part.
yeah,
Yes.
Excel mm, sign up, I think. Okay, so Saurav is working on this. Okay, email sign up something. It goes to the Excel.
Yes. What is Vasu working on?
Write it as, you know,
Vasu is Saurav only. Saurav
Oh,
Srivastava.
okay.
Vasu developer.
Yeah, exactly. Like I didn't know that.
okay.
That's right. Okay, so last time I talked with Saurav, we had a meeting. He said he was working on this, so we have to get up to date with him also. Okay, so
Okay.
fonts illustration goes to Fabio. Uh,
And whoever
illustration
else
we
wants
can
it.
everybody can search.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly. Yeah. And whoever gets
illustration
something, they can
everybody.
share it in the Twindle, the Discord server, and then we can just store all of them in one place and
Yeah.
then see what fits the design the best and add it here and there.
Actually, some woman was trying to, create illustrations for us, right?
Not sure with
Some
this.
When will
uh, I
Not
think
sure
like,
about this.
asked me, right? Like somebody was trying to, copy the design, but they are not able to group it and all.
I think you are talking with about either you are talking about Melissa or you are talking about Lars. I'm not sure.
Don't remember the name. I have to check my Discord.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, it
because
was
these.
Sarath. It was Sarath, like, who told that we need illustrations
Achha,
first. Last month, I think.
okay, okay,
Actually, you wrote Joel's name at fonts, but did he say okay for that? Joel?
Somebody,
okay. No
I don't.
problem.
No,
I'm
no,
just
because Joel is already busy, right? I told
yeah,
Joel
yeah.
was telling that thing. So we'll do one thing.
Okay,
I
okay,
mean,
sure.
no. Keep Joel's name. Like, whoever is changing it can just take an advice from Joel which fonts to, finalize. And
Yeah,
since he told there should be an hierarchy, right? So we can be like, okay, can you just tell us what the hierarchy in here in the sense is? And he can be
Just
like,
ask
okay, this
his
is more
name.
important, this is less important. Something like that.
Yeah, that's
Sure.
also.
Sure. So that we keep this kind of a list, right? So that we can know what is going on, what will not be there. Maybe it's kind of a simple thing, but we'll see how can we close that one after the other, because we are already doing it according to the priority, right?
I don't know. Like, it is good that we are encouraging, people who are just learning HTML, CSS. But I think it would be a lot less pain if we like consider Vue or something like that. Next.js.
I mean, if beginners are there, then Svelte would be the best thing because Svelte is basically
Svelte
HTML
is
with more features.
yeah with
Right.
JavaScript
So
inbuilt.
no one will see the difference and it will make the entire process more easier and even the build size is less. So nothing exactly is being affected.
Try and suggest uh, even in phase 2 or phase 3, we can adopt it.
Exactly. Like exactly what Purple told, right? Purple was like get done with the phase 1 part and then we can go for more. Where CLI is also gonna start phase 2 soon because they're almost done with it.
Yeah,
Uh, guys, I'll be exiting the meeting. We'll just send me that list or somewhere, Akshay. We'll
yeah.
we
Okay, sure.
we will see that. We start working on that footer thing. How can we get that thing? Okay. Okay. I
Yeah,
mean,
sure.
Akshay, Joel, Didi, bye.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
bye.
We'll meet again. Bye.
Okay, even I'll need to
Bye.
leave.
Yeah,
My
I also
class will
have
be
another
starting
meeting
soon.
with. Yeah,
Okay,
so
bye.
no problem. I think we have discussed enough for this. So I will just share some link for another instead. for the illustration like this, Android is great. If anybody
There's
needs
something called
another free
Monster
mockups,
or
yeah,
something with
Monster is also
Monster.
there. Yeah, Monster, something like this. I also
Yeah, I
remember.
used it long ago, but it was really good. Um,
I'm also not quite sure because I have also used it. Not EA, not changed. Okay, so
And instead of sign up, make it join us because it will be more welcoming for the people who want to sign up with us.
yeah, you have a good point.
yeah, okay, yeah, we can also do this. Okay, so I think we should just wrap up this meeting. Now I think we have discussed. I will share this points to everyone. Okay, on the Discord itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The
So,
join us
but
part, mm,
yeah, okay.
we'll have to keep talking.
Yeah, I mean, go ahead.
No, no, no. No, I just wrote the join us part in the code itself, just changed it so that we don't forget it later on.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Okay.
But we have to discuss this joiners and sign up part with the Praful itself. Okay,
Yeah, it's a
because
big
the
change.
main, yeah, it's a big change that he needs to be part of it. Because everything, the UI design and US design, we can decide on our own. But this sign up, instead of sign up, we are using joiners, something like this. This has to go through Praful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then.
Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye, Titi. Bye, Joel.
All
Bye.
right. Thank you, boy.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks
And
for
talk
everyone for
later. Yeah, bye.
coming.